Today we are going to discuss the topic about Python interpreter and interactive mode. Before that, we want to discuss about what is meant by Python. So Python is a high level programming. High level programming means it is a human readable programming languages. Then general purpose, interactive, interpreted and object oriented programming languages. It was created by Guido van Rossum during 1985 to 1990. And then now Python was released in the year 2000. So Python has some features like easy to learn, easy to maintain, portable, interpreted, extensible and free and open source, high level language, scalable, Python and object oriented programming languages. In that, extensible means programmers can use the Python with their C, C++, JavaScript like that. Then high level languages means when writing programs, programmer concentrate on solutions of the current problem and also no need to worry about the low level details. Then scalable means Python provide a better structures and support for large programs than shell scripting. Then some applications are there. So in that, BitTorrent file sharing, Google search engines, HP, IBM, iRobot, NASA and Facebook, then Dropbox. In Python, we can use two modes of executions. In that first one, interpreter mode. Second one, interactive mode. In that interpreter mode, otherwise it is called as a script mode. The interpreter mode is a mode where we type Python programs in a file and then use interpreter to execute the content of the file. And Python interpreter is a program that reads and executes Python code. Then we want to save the file as given any one file name .py. Here .py is compulsory. Depending on the environment, start the interpreter by clicking on an icon or by typing Python on command line. Consider this one example. In that, first three lines contain information about the interpreter and the operating systems it is running on. Then next line, we have to declare the 3 greater than symbol. This symbol is called as a prompt. That includes that the interpreter is ready to enter the Python code. Then a Python program is written in a file. Save the code with the any one file name .py and run the interpreter in script mode to execute the script. Then next consider this one example. Here I have declared the A value equal to 10, then B value equal to 20, then calculation part C equal to A plus B. So finally we can get the output value 30. Second one is the interactive mode. In interactive mode, as the name gives the meaning of, allows us to interact with OS. It is a way of using Python interpreter by executing Python commands from the command line with no script. This allows the user to type an expressions and immediately the expression is executed and the result is printed. Like that, we can give some example. 2 plus 3, we can get the output value 5. Otherwise, like 1 plus 1, the output is 2. Otherwise, print some strings, hello, like world. Then we can get the output in print line, hello, comma, world. Then Python has some Advantages like Python in interactive mode is good enough to learn, experiment and explore. Then working in interactive mode is convenient for beginners and for testing small pieces of code. And also it have one drawbacks. What is that? We cannot save the statement and have to retype all the statements once again to return them. In the third one, IDLE means integrated development learning environment. It is a graphical user interface which is completely written in Python. Then it is bundled with the default implementations of the Python language and also comes with optional part of the Python packaging. Features of IDLE are multi-window text editor with syntax highlighting, auto completions with smart indentations, and Python shell to display output with syntax highlighting. Here shows some difference between interactive mode and script mode. Then debugging. In the debugging, three kinds of errors can occur in a Python program. In that first one, syntax error, runtime error and the semantic errors.